Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MSTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And you want to just get things updated here. Not necessarily updated, but more so just kind of confirmation of levels that I talked about in yesterday's video are definitely kind of playing a role here. The first thing, though, to report is whole lot of perspective is going into this one. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 8.7 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have those overall bases, then again, keyword there being big picture, grand scheme of things, then the bulls start to build overall uptrends. And like I said, bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. And what was nice to see hold was this green line here that I talked about yesterday. And that's right around the 10.5 cent mark. But you can see during this crazy 30-minute session, price pulled back, and then, oh, what a surprise, decided to bounce right there. And then never even got close to, getting tested again. So going forward, again, if 10.5 cents right around that region can continue to hold strong, that'll be a good sign of strength for the bulls. Because, I mean, if you just kind of look at it like this, let's say the price does head down there a few more times, bounces around, and then heads back up. If that were to occur, then you'd have this big set of bases right here, this previous big set of bases down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. So very important level there. I am going to do a little house cleaning. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting out here still do pertain, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. If this level of support right here at 10.5 cents does not hold, keep an eye on the purple line right there. That is the overall trend indicator, the famous 50-period simple moving average. And as I believe I mentioned in yesterday's video, really a black and white way to look at things is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. In regards to levels of resistance, 14 cents is still indeed that key level of resistance. I realized that it was broken today. Yes, but this was not a true break because a true break not only breaks above a level, but then the price maintains and stays above that level. And not to insult anybody's intelligence, but obviously the price did not stay up above 14 cents, fell back below it. Therefore, 14 cents is still public enemy number one. All in all, though, good solid day, good end of the week. Bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base and continue to build the uptrend. So we'll see if they can continue on with that next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.